Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CAT S40 and let me share with you how to change video resolution or actually video quality on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and as you can see right now I'm on the video mode, but if you will open the camera and you will be on the standard photo mode like here, all you have to do is to simply tap on this camera icon and pick the second one. And since you can see this red circle inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. Let's tap on it, and as you can see on the second position we've got video quality. Let's tap, and here we've got only 3 different options from which we can choose. Right now we've got a HD option applied with 720p, but we can also pick WVGA or VGA, regular VGA, let's say. And all you have to do in order to change the quality is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So let me pick for example this one, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, so it means that from now on it has been successfully applied, so your device will record videos in chosen quality. But I highly recommend to stick with the HD because this is the best possible here. So actually this is it. This is how to change video quality in your CAT S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.